Hi dear friends, welcome back to our channel N. Vinay Kumar Basics of Physics. Dear friends, in our channel I am uploading all the important topics of intermediate second year and first year also. That's why everyone must subscribe my channel. Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the one of the important 4 marks question in the chapter of electric charges and fields. Okay, so let's go for that. Question is like this: define intensity of electric field at a point, derive an expression for the intensity due to a point charge. So children, this is a very easy question and very easy to understand also. Define intensity of electric field. First we have to define the intensity of electric field and derive an equation for the intensity due to a point charge. Children, the first thing is we have to write what is electric field intensity. The electric field intensity is nothing but the force experienced by the unit positive charge at a point in the field. That should be called electric field intensity. For example, now it is the one electric field and thus we having some charge Q. Clear? In that, if we can keep any positive charge like Q naught, so this is the electric field of Q plus Q charge. In that, you can keep any positive charge like this. Then there is some force due to this positive charge at this charge. That should be called electric field intensity. The force experienced by the Q naught charge. Q naught is unit positive test charge. The force experienced by this Q naught when it is placed in any electric field, that should be called electric field intensity. ఏదైనా ఒక ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్లో క్యూ నాట్ ఛార్జ్ ఉంచినప్పుడు ఆ క్యూ నాట్ ఛార్జ్ మీద ఎంత ఫోర్స్ పనిచేస్తుందో దాన్ని మనం ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఇంటెన్సిటీ అంటాం. The force experienced by the unit positive charge placed at a point in the electric field is called electric field intensity. If you want to write in terms of equation, we will write like this. Simply E is equals to F by Q naught. This is the expression for electric field intensity. E is equals to F by Q naught. Force experienced by the charge Q naught is called electric field intensity. According to this formula, we have to write the units. For force, what do you need? Newton. Per charge, coulomb. So Newton for coulomb is the units for electric field intensity. So this is the first part of the question. And next thing is what? We have to derive the expression for intensity due to point charge. Children, in this 4 marks question, definition of electric field intensity, 1 mark should be awarded, and now 1 mark for diagram, and next 2 marks for derivation electric field intensity due to a point charge. Okay children, now here expression is electric field intensity due to the point charge. So dear students, here at the point A, the plus Q charge it is there. Clear? From that charge we have selected one point P. That should be at a distance of R. So here simply we are writing, let P be the point at a distance of how much? Small r from the positive charge Q. Clear children? So let P be the point at a distance of r from the positive charge Q. And now here the point P is in the electric field of Q. What we know, electric field means what? Here this is the Q. Clear? The space around the charge which is in its influence, that should be called electric field. ఒక ఛార్జ్ చుట్టూ ఎంత మేరకు అయితే తన యొక్క ప్రభావం ఉంటుందో దాన్ని మనం ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ అంటాం. ఆ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్లో ఒక పాయింట్ తీసుకున్నాం, ఆ పాయింట్నే P అంటున్నాం. అదే అక్కడ చూపిస్తున్నాం. Q is the charge and P be the point in the electric field of charge Q. And now here The electric field intensity is a vector and that should be in the direction of positive charge like this. Clear? Now at the point P we have to find out the electric field intensity. At this point we have to find out the electric field intensity because of plus Q charge. For that we are bringing Q naught charge. We are bringing the Q naught charge from infinity distance to the point P. Clear? And we kept here. We are bringing the charge from infinite to the point P in the field. సో మనం క్యూ నాట్ ఛార్జ్ని ఇన్ఫినిట్ నుంచి తీసుకొచ్చి పి అనే పాయింట్ దగ్గర ఉంచినప్పుడు నౌ దిస్ ఈస్ ద వన్ ఛార్జ్ క్యూ అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద అనదర్ ఛార్జ్ క్యూ నాట్. సో ఆల్రెడీ వీ నో దట్ by using the Coulomb's law we can identify the amount of force between two charges when they are separated by some distance. Clear? టూ చార్జెస్ అనేవి కొంత డిస్టెన్స్లో సపరేట్ అయినప్పుడు వాటి మధ్య ఫోర్స్ కనుక్కోవడానికి మనం కూలంబ్స్ లాని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. అట్లనే ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ క్యూ ఛార్జ్ ఉంది, క్యూ నాట్ ఉంది, వాటి మధ్య ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంది, ఆర్ ఉంది. వెన్ టూ చార్జెస్ ఆర్ సపరేట్ బై సమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ దెన్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ దేర్ ఈస్ సమ్ ఫోర్స్ యాక్టింగ్ బిట్వీన్ దెమ్. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు కూలంబ్స్ లా వీ కెన్ రైట్, according to the Coulomb's law we can write like this here. According to Coulomb's law, what you have to write? F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. First charge is what is Q, Q into second charge is Q naught. So F is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by R square. So this is the Coulomb's law equation. According to Coulomb's law, the force between two charges is given by what? This equation. From that, we are bringing Q naught to this side. What do we write now? F by Q naught is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. So what we know already? What we know, E is equals to F by Q naught. E is equals to F by Q naught. Electric field intensity, how we can write? F by Q naught. That's why from that equation what you have to write? E is equals to, instead of E, F by Q naught, what you have to write? This value, E. Therefore E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. So children, this is the equation for electric field intensity due to a point charge. So it's very clear, it's very simple children, 4 marks question. So I hope so you understand. If you can understand this one, like, share, comment the video. Children, you must follow our channel. In our channel I am uploading the intermediate first year, second year, 9th, 10th and MCET videos also. Okay, thank you.